This is my Meaco dehumidifier. It's really small, really small, easy to move around. The cord wraps around here. If I want it to dry my clothes, which is the main thing I use it for, I just keep it near to, say here, underneath the top that I would want dry, or next to a heated towel rack that I haven't turned on all year because I haven't used it. Now I've got this. So I pulled that close, so just easy to turn on. That's the dehumidifier. This is the humidity of the room. You have a settings like a water tank and to lock it. And I use a clothes drying setting. My clothes would be dry, sort of the whole lot of clothes up to the heated towel rack would be dry in a day. And when I go to bed, I just put on the nighttime mode. It'll go into standby, but it will still continue. And then I don't have to worry overnight. This is the water tank that I've just emptied. It just pops out. Really simple. And I think it holds about 2 litres of water a day. It contains about 2 litres of water. Really easy, you just pour it out like that. Pop it in, empty 1 to 2 of these a day, and just pop it back in. Here at the back is the filter that you have to change. Really easy to pull out and pop back in.
Bought this product and it came with this letter saying the product to the manufacturer and saying the button wasn't working. Then we tried to turn on and it does not work at all. Everything is hooked up, everything's fine, but it does not turn on because the button seems to be off. That is exactly the problem that saying on the letter.
So, the problem with the device, I click, it does not switch programs. I want to turn off, can't turn off. It also does not water, it does not do its job.
Okay.